Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial of video. I select a rows and styles, change the style and pick another rows and subscribe the channel dear friend, like the video, pattern change and increase the size of the shape and draw a line in Photoshop like this line and style option also change and draw rectangle shape. Dear friend, subscribe, like and thanks for watching.